rough notebook or the revision notebook for the calculations.
Ma'am, you are sending link in the chat.
Wait.
Ma'am, can you send the link in the chat box?
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Rishik.
Rishik, go to the classroom, refresh your classroom, link is already pasted. Everyone, please go to classroom, refresh your classroom, link is already pasted. Once you complete your CET, please do mark as done. And please do calculation in the rough notebook or the revision notebook.
Okay,
Ma'am, I have got the CT.
Yes.
Yes,
Hannah, please remove this background. No child will sit with the backgrounds. And I request everyone to turn on their cameras. Without switching on your camera will not be allowed to do the CET. Kiana, she left the class and I will not accept the CET if a child leave the class and submit me the CET. I will not accept that. And children, again, I'm announcing it is compulsory for everyone to attend the HRM also. So after this, there is a HRM, don't leave the class. Yes, Meer Virani.
Yes, ma'am. Why we have to done mark as done? Why we have to click?
If you will not do mark as done after submission, it will show you missing.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Zahana.
Ma'am, we have to write all letters in capital.
You are giving CET first time? Math CET?
No, ma'am.
Then? There are options given, nothing to write, just only name you have to write, and name you have to write in any form. It will accept. Other answers are given in the options formation. So you need to click the option.
Ma'am, I am not understanding the D question.
Wait, I will explain out the questions. Wait.
Ma'am, I can't understand the B one. I also don't understand the D.
I will explain, students, all the questions. Wait for a minute.
I also don't understand the B1.
Wait, let me present the screen. And silently listen all the questions explanation. First question, each day is made up of how many hours? 9 hours, 12 hours, 22 hours or 24 hours? The number of minutes in 1 hour, 6 minutes is equals to how many minutes in 1 hour, 6 minutes? So first we need to convert the hour also in the minutes and 6 minutes already in the minutes. So total how many minutes? Rita leaves for school at 6:40. 6:40 she left the school and she reached school at 7:30. So how many minutes she needs to reach to the school? The day after 90 days from 15th March. From 15th March, count 90 days, and that after 90 days counting, that it will fall in which month? If you add 90 days and after 15th March, it will come in which month? A math started at 1440 hours. 1440 means it's already given in the 24-hour clock time. And now you need to convert it into the 12-hour clock time. Till here it's clear to everyone. Any doubts?
Ma'am, I am confused in 2 minutes. Ma'am, the D1 I am confusing.
D1 means you need to see the after 15th March. Suppose if I say after 20, mute your mic, Arnav.
Yes.
Suppose if I say after 20 July, count 30 days. And that 30 days will be fall in which month? After 30 days, which month will come? So after 15th March, if you count 90 days, it will come in which month? Suppose if I say there are still 90 days for in your birthday. After 15th March, there are still 90 days. After 15th March, please see the dates which are given here. I am focusing on the dates. After 15th March, there are still 90 days. So in which month 90 days it will cover? Got it, Arnav?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't understand the B1.
Can you read the question?
Yes, ma'am. The number of minutes in
Yes,
1 hour.
total number of minutes in 1 hour and 6 minutes. Total number of minutes in 1 hour and 6 minutes. Convert the 1 hour into the minutes and 6 minutes already in minutes. So total number of minutes in how many minutes? Laisha, in 1 hour, how many minutes? Then 6 minutes are extra given. To total how many minutes? I cannot give you the answer now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Till E is any confusion to any child?
Ma'am Ahana.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the third one. C.
Please read the question.
Rita leaves for school at 6:40 a.m. She reaches school at 7:30 a.m. How long does Rita take to
So how
reach
many
the
minutes she has taken to reach? After 6:40 till 7:30. Count the number of minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is F. Yes, please. F. Both the hands of a clock are at 3. What time is it? 6:45 p.m. 6:45 p.m. is given in the 12-hour clock time. You need to convert it into the 24-hour clock time. 12 minutes to 4. 12 minutes to 4 means 4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes बाकी है. Kavisha, what?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
E question.
E. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in E1.
Same E. Now listen, both of you. 1440 is given in the 24-hour clock time. You need to write it into the 12-hour clock time. Got it, Kiana and Kavisha, both of you?
Yes.
If you have learned the concept, you will be clearly do it. Otherwise, sorry, I will not tell the answers. Next is H. Please listen the H1, everyone carefully. 12 minutes to 4. 12 minutes to 4 means 4 बजने में 12 minutes बाकी हैं. There are still 12 minutes to 4. Next is I. The date of manufacturing printed on a pack of butter is 16 September 2020. And it has a stamp which says used by 31st October 2020. Should we use the butter after 31st October? Yes or no? The school closes for winter vacation. Please listen the J1 carefully, everyone. The school closed for winter vacation from 25th December to 15th January. Means 25th December से holidays start हो रही हैं. That also will be counted in the holidays. And the holidays are till 15th January. So 15th January and 25th December will be counted in your holidays.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Laisha.
I can't understand the C1.
Read the question.
Rita leaves.
Yes, wait,
from
I understood.
school.
Wait, I understood. Mute yourself. Rita leave for the school at 6:40 and reaches to the school at 7:30. So how many minutes she has taken to reach to school? after 6:40 till 7:30. Count the minutes. 6:40 के बाद 7:30 reach करने में how many minutes?
Okay.
Sorry, my dear. I think then you have not done the practice. All are easy sums.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am confused in I1.
I am reading the I only. I though is very easy. Arnav, please read the question and language carefully. The main thing is you children are not understanding the language, and which is very simple. Arnav, एक बटर का पैकेट है 16 सितंबर को लिया.
Yes, yes.
And last date is 31st September October. क्या 31st October के बाद भी आप उसको यूज करोगे?
No, ma'am.
So don't tell the answers, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't understand this H1.
H1 is I think 14:40 वाला, right? 12 minutes to 4. 4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes बाकी है, तो क्या टाइम हुआ होगा?
Okay, ma'am.
Next is J. J already I explained. So 25th December and 15th January will also be counted in your vacation. Because your school closes from 25th until 15th January. So count the number of holidays. Add 8 hours 20 minutes and 16 hours 40 minutes. Subtract 7 hours 20 minutes from 15 hours. Children, do it very, very carefully, the addition and subtraction. Convert into 8 minutes 25 seconds into the seconds. Total number of seconds you need to find out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't understand the E1.
Can you read the question for me?
Yes, ma'am. A match started at 14:40
Yes, I got it. Wait, Jania, I got it. 14:40 hours is given in the 24-hour clock time. You need to convert this 24 into the 12-hour clock time.
Yes.
Mohammed Patel is there in the class. Mohammed Patel, you do assessment very soon and submit it without checking, without seeing the mistakes. Mohammed, turn on your camera. Children, I will not allow you without turning on your camera sitting in the class. Hansel, I want to talk to you. Please turn on your camera, Hansel. Hansel, please turn on your camera. Hansel, don't leave the class. Turn on your camera, bacha. Hansel.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera. I want to talk to you. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I am doing it only.
Yeah, just a minute. I want to talk to you. Where are you? Can you please turn? Yeah. Hansel, you have not given your assessment. Maths assessment नहीं दिया है आपने. जो पहले वाला था. No, not this. I'm not talking today's one. I'm not talking today's one. The assessment which was taken on 16th, that you have not given. Please submit it.
Ma'am, I submit.
Okay, I will check now. And please come in class regularly. Keep your camera on regularly. And please answer in the class whenever I ask. And please ask your doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
And participate in the class answer. Got it?
Okay.
And Mohammed, if you have CET is done, start doing writing tables in your notebook, revision notebook. Take out your revision notebook, start writing tables from 12 to 15. If you don't know till 10, so please start writing tables from 2 to 10.
I'm confusing L1.
Which
there
one?
Is minute is L1. There is minute is there is two.
No, I will not explain that because it's clearly given minutes and hours and minutes and seconds that you need to understand what you need to do. If you're confused, you need to do practice. Khush, you have joined just now, bacha?
No, ma'am. I by mistakenly just end the meeting by mistakenly.
Maybe it is showing that you log in with the 2 IDs. Just check.
Okay. Ma'am, I am not understanding the H1.
Can you read the question?
Yes. Ma'am, it is 12 minutes to 4 is same as.
4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes है, तो what time it will be? Okay. There's still 12 minutes are there to reach 4. So what time it is?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arnav.
M1.
Read the question.
Ma'am, M1 in confusion.
Read the question.
Convert into seconds, 8 minutes, 25 seconds.
Convert into seconds. There are given 8 minutes, 25 seconds. Convert the whole sentence into the seconds. 8 minutes, 25 seconds में कितने total seconds होते हैं? Very good, Khush Desai. Khush, you have done by your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Very quick you have done. Excellent. And Kavisha also. Kavisha?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't understand the I when the date of...
Sorry. Read it properly. Read. Read, try to understand the question. I have already explained all the questions. I is very easy. It's related to expiry date and the manufacturing date products we have learned. And I request everyone not to take help from anyone.
Ma'am, I'm writing K1, so it is wrong showing.
Sorry. Maybe you have done wrong, Arnav. All answers are correct in the Google form.
Okay.
Meer Virani, yes.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please, Rishik. Yes, Meer Virani.
No, ma'am, I do not have any doubt. Please, I go to washroom.
Yes, please. And children, please, I request you all to turn on your cameras and do. Kavisha, you're doing by your own? All you have done? Very good. Good. Those who have completed their CT, they please take out your revision notebook and start writing tables from 12 to 15. From 12 to 15. Start writing tables from 12 to 15.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have question related. You yesterday teach the topper view. The circle has not view, no, circle.
Circle what? Circle, there are circular objects, right?
Yes.
So you will only able to see the circle only view.
Yes, topper view, side view.
It's not topper view, top view.
Top view, side view. We cannot see, no.
तो आपको सर्कल में कैसा ऐसी लाइन दिखेगी साइड व्यू में, तो दैट ओनली यू विल मेक.
ओके.
पूरा सर्कल तो नहीं दिखेगा ना साइड से.
देखो ना ये पेन.
Yes, Laisha, any problem? Someone was speaking before. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Those who have completed their CET, please start writing tables in revision notebook from 12 to 15.
एक minute.
Prayag is done. Excellent. Hit needs to improve. Arnav Desai, please do practice. Dev, good but needs little practice. Kiana, Yuk Surana, good. Yuk Surana, you always have a habit of losing 2 marks in all the assessments.
Ma'am, but that summer vacation is that 21 only.
But you need to count the 25 and that also, no? 15. Bhakti needs little practice, bacha. Addition and subtraction, I know most of you face difficulty in that only. You are not practicing at home.
My addition and subtraction are all right.
Okay. And do the practice of the wrong sums. If you can open your Google form, do the practice of wrong sums also. Those who are wrong for you, know. Again, do them in the revision notebook.
Yes, ma'am. I already do.
Yes. Please do it in your revision notebook it again if your few sums are wrong. Rishik, I request you to do. Kiana, request you to do please the wrong sums in your revision notebook. The sums which are wrong. Okay, good. Bhakti, you also. Bhakti Mohammed, you also. Please do the sums which are wrong, no? Do them again in the revision notebook. Now you know the answers also.
Ma'am, you can say what you repeated because
I'm just telling.
Because so rain is coming.
I'm telling the same thing that you, whichever the sums are wrong in your Google form, do them again in your revision notebook. And those who have completed their CET and score good marks, full marks, they please write the tables from 12 to 15. Prayag, you are doing writing tables? Very good.
Ma'am, I am also writing tables.
Yeah, and
ma'am, I understood my mistake, that counting one.
Yes, and do the correction of the sums which are wrong. Do them in the do them in the revision notebook. Yes.
Only this one was wrong. I have done the correction.
Okay. Please do the correction of the wrong sums. 15 Janya. Janya needs practice, right? थोड़ी practice और करो घर पर, right, Janya?
Yes, ma'am.
And please honestly give the CET so that you will also see your mistakes and then you will improve them. If you ask the questions from someone and someone tells you and then doing that, it's not a good habit. Okay, do the correction of the wrong sums, Janya. In your revision notebook, do corrections, Kiana, Bhakti. Bhakti, yes. Turn on your mic. Hansel, turn on your camera. Sorry, Bhakti, turn on your camera. Khush, turn on your camera. Khush Desai. And please write tables because you score full 25 out of 25. So write tables. Varina Varija, turn on your camera. Hansel, turn on your camera. Bhakti, turn on your camera. Meet, come back to your place. Meet.
Ma'am, if you go to other device, then my camera will be off.
Okay. So why are you going to the other device? Your test is done, na, Bhakti?
I'm doing the correction.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what I have to do now?
Write tables from 12 to 15 in your revision notebook.
Ma'am, I have written till 12 to 20.
20. Learn them thoroughly. Start learning
Okay,
them.
ma'am.
Mohammed, you are doing. Mohammed, can you show me a notebook? Show me your notebook. What are you doing? Let me see. What are you writing? Which table you are writing, bacha?
Table.
2 table. And then how you are writing, not putting multiplication time. You don't know how to write the tables? Wait, Mohammed, I'll show you how to write the table. Yes.
I can't understand the last question.
You need to understand it because it's given in the very simple language.
Yes.
Convert into seconds. 8 minutes, some seconds are given. Convert whole sentence into total seconds. Because we have already learned conversion, how to convert.
Okay, ma'am.
Mohammed, turn on your camera, please. Mohammed, turn on your camera.
My camera is on.
No, but it's looking dark. I don't know why it is coming dark. You log out and log in again, Mohammed. And then I will show you how to write the tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Mohammed has switched her camera.
Wait, let me check. Wait, Mohammed. Mohammed is there?
No, ma'am.
No, let him join. And please continue this class as the HRM also. Don't leave the class. And it is compulsory for everyone to attend the HRM also. Navya, are you doing by your own, bacha? Navya? Yes, Mohammed. Now turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Still coming black. Now I am going to show you how to write the tables. Mohammed, just please check. Is my screen visible to you, Mohammed?
Ma'am.
मोहम्मद, is my screen visible? मैं आपको दिख रही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this present screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
लिखा कैसे लिखा है? 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2. So ऐसे ही 2 multiplied by 1 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. This way you need to write the tables. Got it, मोहम्मद? ऐसे लिखनी है आपको. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. Means 2 multiplied by 10 is 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
There are 2 tricks of 9 tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now we're not learning the tricks. We will discuss in the next classes. Next chapter, when junk sailor we will learn, no, then we will learn the different tricks of tables also. Okay? Then you tell me. Okay, Mohammed, you understood how to write the tables?
I cannot see your presentation.
Now see. दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे लिखनी है आपको tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I can see the different sign you are putting in between. अब पता नहीं कैसे लिख रहे हैं, I don't know.
He is like this and minus sign he is doing.
Arnav, let others do their CT. I'm presenting it for you only, Mohammed. So please complete. Write tables in this way. You need to write from 2 to 10 first. Then आगे धीरे धीरे आपको learn करनी है tables.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I drink water?
Yes, please. Mohammed, you understood now how to write? Can I stop presentation? Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you please write table of 2 and table of 3 and show me. Is Dheer there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Dirg.
Dirg is not there.
Yes, ma'am. Derek is not there.
Today Dirg was absent, right?
No, ma'am.
He-
He was present in another class. In maths class,
Yes,
he
ma'am.
is absent.
Yeah, but
He was present in
Heer
another
is also
classes.
absent today.
He also absent.
Yes.
Heer and Dheer also are absent. Heer and Dheer.
Okay. You continue your work, bacha. Continue your work. Don't talk in between.
Ma'am, why tomorrow is holiday?
You don't know what is tomorrow?
Eid. It's Eid.
I mean, just Bakri
Bakra Eid.
Like-
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And what?
We will
what is
discuss in the
special?
HRM. Be quiet. Others are doing. And we will discuss in the HRM.
Hello, ma'am. Most of questions are of 2 marks.
Yes. All are of 2 marks. Only last question is of 1 mark.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I go for washroom?
Yes, please.
May I drink water?
Children, please come prepare in the class. No drinking water. You need to bring the bottle with you.
But, ma'am, I have 1 full glass of water
Yes.
beside me.
Let me check how many still need to submit.
You can no, ma'am. You are not taken attendance.
I have taken.
Then HRM.
Hello, ma'am. I have done Marcus done.
Okay. Everyone has to do mark as done.
Ma'am,
After
I
submitting-
always do.
Yeah, please do mark as done. Otherwise, it will show you missing. It will reach to me by the Google through the Google form. But in your classroom, it will show missing. So better you do mark as done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
This time it is no.
Jania can leave. Jania, we talk in the next class. Okay.
I did the correction.
Okay. So please stay in the class. I'm going to stop the recording. We continue with the HRM.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.